Making my mean from the video slide presentation. Learning evidence for Dylan 1. The classmates from the Business Administration at Grade course decide to their grade discover they must decide on the subject they will address. Alon proposed that work of the blockchain because he works with their service. Javier proposed they were on the artificial intelligence because this is trendy, and Dora proposed that they work and data science, and is very much related to the course. The level important is very important, and an uncentrality level is uncentralized. The best that could happen, the best thing that can happen to develop the grade this is between the there is that will upgrade and sell it on the of the tropicals to work. The words that could happen. The words that could happen in the preparation of the thesis between the there of us is that we go cold not agree on the subject to carry out the work and they will go what to working individually. What in my intuition says? My intuition says that they must work on the blockchain for the thesis grade. Pros. They had primary information to search, it'd be easier to pose the research problem. Since Alon works with his service, they can easily obtain service solutions, and Javier and Dora can learn about on the new topic. Cons. Every node made to a grade, not every node can contribute to with their ideas because not every node knows about the topic. It is really difficult topic and the understand in the Dondu's world with this. Javier and Dora might not be interested in the learning a new topic. Conclusion based on my intuition. Based on Alon's be done less experience and work, it will be easier to pose at this that meets the mandatory requirements. Rational conclusion. The rational conclusion will to be do the thesis on the blockchain. Decision. Taking in account the about that growth the seed to the days of the blockchain. Set the following. One, to identify the pros and the cons of the each topic. The two, make a decision about which topic they all the work on. The three, start with data thesis, and the four, get that go score. Is right. Goodbye.